Hello student, welcome back to my class. In my previous class, I have explained computer fundamental. In this class, I am going to teach binary number system. This is the third part of my chapter computer fundamental. So, before understanding what is the binary number system, let me define what is the number system. So, a number system is defined as a system of writing for expressing numbers. It is the mathematical notation for representing numbers of a given set by using digits or other symbols in a consistent manner. Means in number system, we express number by using symbols and mathematical digits. Okay. So number system is basically classified in four types. First one is binary number system, second octal number system, third decimal number system, and fourth hexadecimal number system. So in binary number system, we express our number by using two symbols 0 and 1. And its base is 2 because we are using two symbols, so because it has two base. Base is 2. In the similar way, in octal number system, we represent our number by using 8 symbols from 0 to 7. And its base is 8. In decimal number system, we represent a number by using 10 symbols from 0 to 9. So its base is 10. In hexadecimal number system, we represent a number or we express the number by using 16 symbols. From 0 to 9, it is 10 symbol, and from A to F, 6 symbols. Its total symbol is 16. So we represent our number by using 16 symbols, and its base is 16. Now, let me give some example. As we all are familiar with decimal number system, so you all know that this is a number 20. So we can write its equivalent in other number system. Suppose I have to write number 20 in binary number system. So equivalent of 20 in binary number system will be 1 0 1 0 0. And in the same way, the equivalent octal number system will be 2 4. And the equivalent hexadecimal number will be 1 4. Let us take another example. 162. It is a decimal number. We can express this number in binary number as 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. And in octal number 2 4 2. And in hexadecimal number 8 2. You can see that here in binary number system, we are only using 0 and 1. Okay? In octal number system, we are using number from 0 to 7. There is we have not written any number greater than 7. And you are familiar with decimal number system. And in hexadecimal number system, we can see that we are using symbols like A to. Okay. So our next topic is binary number system. So we will see what is a binary number system. So before explaining binary number system, let me give you one more information. You all know that this 20, it is two digit number. Okay, and this is 3-digit number. Okay, the same way, this is a 5-digit number, and because it is a binary digit, so we call it bit. We call it bit. Bit means binary digit. Okay, so this is a 5-digit number, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is a 8-bit number. Okay, so now our topic is binary number system. So let me define what is a binary number system. Let me define binary number system. A binary number system is a method of representing numbers that has 2 as its base and uses only the digits 0 and 1. It means in binary number system, we express a number by using two symbols 0 and 1. Now next one is what are the units of information in binary number system? So here we have this unit and its size. So 1 bit is equivalent, its size could be 1 or 0. And the size of 1 label is 4 bits. And 1 byte is equivalent to 8 bits. And 1 kilobyte is equivalent to 1024 bytes. And 1 megabyte or MB is equivalent to 1024 kilobytes. And 1 GB is equivalent to 1024 MB. And 1 TB is equivalent to 1024 GB. The basic unit of information is called bit. It's a short form for binary digit. One question arises in your mind: why should we know binary number system? So, as we all know, a computer is an electronic device. Means a computer is a machine, and a machine can understand only two states: on state or off state. So we can represent a on state with 1 and a off state with 0 and vice versa. So by using binary language, we can communicate with machine. Our next topic is how to convert a decimal number into binary number and a binary number into decimal number. Conversion of decimal number into a binary number. So let's take an example: 20. 20 is a decimal number, and we can express it as 20 base 10. So what will be its equivalent binary number? As I have already mentioned that the equivalent binary number for 20 will be 10100. So let us see how we will get this result. Okay. So as the base of a binary number is 2, so what we do, we divide the decimal number 20 with base 2. Okay, we are dividing the decimal number 20 with the base of the binary number, that is 2. And here we are interested in remainder. So when we will divide 20, so the quotient will be 10 and remainder 1. Then here the remainder will be 0, and then here it will also be 0, and then okay, see, now we are going to divide 1 by 2. So here 1 is less than 2. What we can do? We can write 2 into 0 equal to 0 and remainder 1. So don't focus on the method of division. Here we are only interested on remainder. So by this we can get 1 as a remainder. Now to get an equivalent binary number for a decimal number, we write the remainder from bottom to top. So we can write it from bottom. Here 1 0 1 0 0. So the equivalent binary number for a decimal number will be 10100. Now we are going to convert a binary number into a decimal number. Conversion of binary number into a decimal number. So let's take an example 10100. It is a binary number and we have to find its equivalent decimal number. As I have already mentioned that its equivalent decimal number will be 20. Okay, so let us see how we will get 20 as equivalent decimal number of 10100 binary number. So here what we do, first let me write the number. Okay, so here we multiply the first number with 2 to the power 0. We are using 2 because the base of the binary number is 2. So we are multiplying it with 2. Okay, then we will add and we will multiply the second number with 2 to the power 1 and then third number with 2 to the power 2 and then next number 0 into 2 to the power 3 and 1 into 2 to the power 4. Here the power of 2 is increasing from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then what result we will get? It will be 1 into 16 plus 0 into 8 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Let me give you one information. So the power of if we see the x to the power 0, okay, its result will be 1 except 0 to the power 0. This is not defined. This is not defined. Okay, so x to the power 0 is always 1 except when x is 0. Okay, so here 2 to the power 0 will be 1. Okay, so it will become 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0. So then it will become 16 plus 4 equal to 20. So the binary number 10100, its equivalent decimal number will be 20. Here we are going to end today's session. Thank you.